mga kaibigan. Let's bringing on to Mr. Roel Bizarra. Kumusta na po ang biyahe ninyo?
Okay lang.
Ano po yung magiging biyahe ninyo pagdating ng araw sa mga susunod pa?
Opo, din steady.
Okay.
Dito.
Okay po. Payo po. Okay po. Payo po sa mga pasahero.
Steady lang sila sa bus stop, syempre. Doon lang sa ruta sila. Tamang ruta lang.
Okay po, maraming salamat po. Ito po, si Kuya Roel Bizarra. At saktong-sakto po dito po sa Santo Tomas. Siya nga po ay nakapagsimba po ko from San Rafael SDA Church at na-tsempohan natin ng 8930. Thank you very much po, Kuya Roel Bizarra.
Thank you din.
Thank you very much po. Salamat po. God bless.
Bless you. Ayaw, alis ako.
Hello, welcome to #Alagang Jack All Access featuring Jack Liner Bus 8930 Dalahican Cubao Camyas featuring driver Roel Bizarra and conductor Reggie Registos. And let's take you the journey to the Adult Sabbath School Bible Study Guide, 3rd and 4th quarters of 2025. Exodus, Journey to the Promised Land. The God revealed in the book of Exodus is the loving Lord who, at the appointed time and with his mighty actions, brought salvation and deliverance to his people. The Exodus from Egypt and the crossing of the Red Sea were pivotal and unique events. God's spectacular and marvelous acts. No greater or more glorious event ever happened in the history of the ancient Israel before the cross. It is the gospel. But according to Moses, God miraculously and repeatedly arose to demonstrate to his care and protection from the Hebrews. Despite their constant backsliding, his mercy surpassed all their understandings and feelings. With his outstretched arm, the Lord led his people to freedom. It was an unprecedented act. This unexpected series of divine interventions was the beginning of their renewed journey with God, a journey from Egypt to eventually to Canaan. Through Moses plays an important role in Exodus. This book is not about Moses, but about God, the God of love, truth, justice, freedom, and forgiveness. The God who ultimately went to the cross for us. By studying Exodus, we get a unique look at what our God is really like. And what he really like, he is the God who has faithful to his people despite their unfaithfulness. He was constantly for them even when they were against him. Again and again. He showed them his mercy, bringing encouragement, correction, and divine instruction, leading them in the best possible way. He wanted them voluntarily, out of love for him and his character, to worship and obey, all for their own good. The God of Moses and the God of relationships. The most important objective of God is was not to accomplish something to fulfill an agenda. Instead, its prime objective was to create a meaningful relationship to his chosen people, Israel, to he led to Sinai to order to establish the deep fellowship. The Apostle Paul teaches to what happened to God's people in the past was an object lesson to us that we can learn from their mistakes and faithfully follow the Lord today. Now this happened them to an example but they were written down for our instruction, on whom the end of the ages was come. These past events should be a warning and a source of unforgettable instruction for us now. We should read them, study them, and learn from them. Because no matter how different the circumstances, the spiritual principles behind them remain the same. Our plan for studying the book of Exodus during these 13 weeks in transparent. This book divided into the weekly chapter readings of various lengths. Slavery in Egypt, the birth of Moses, the Moses' first 40 years, complications when life becomes worse, the first 9 plagues, and the 10th plague, and the celebration of Passover, and the liberation from Egypt and the Red Sea experience, the journey of the Mount Sinai, the gift of God's covenant and decalogue, God's law applied, the covenant confirmed, and the blueprint of the tabernacle, the golden calf apostasy, and Moses' intercession, God's self-revelation, and the radiant face of the Moses, the tabernacle built and dedicated. Each week we focus on key passages and events from indicated chapters. May our gracious Lord bless us. We study the pivotal book that reminds us how God wants to lead His people from slavery to freedom, from death to life, from the wilderness to the New Jerusalem.
Kaya kaya po nagsikap po tayo para maging mahusay na vlogger at syempre naman dahan-dahan lang po tayo magiging patas lang tayo at syempre tayo po magbigay naman tayo ng bawat isa. Syempre bawat isa sa atin alam naman natin yan.
Pa-northbound, yung isa na pa-southbound.
Oo.
Yung papunta doon,
Feeling ko rin pa-northbound eh. Ring Grandia eh.
yung pa-northbound, yung nandun sa kabila.
Ah, gano'n? Nagpunta tayo naman niya.
Umikot siya eh, kasi yung isa nagkate.
Oo. Ay, naka-video ko lang ako, Joy. Talaga. Sino-surprise mo naman ako eh. Pag nasa kalukuhan tayo, gumagana yung camera ko eh.
Ayan na. Mga side trip lang yun.
Ano yan, 2023 ba yun?
2023.
Kasi yung Regis, no?
September 2 kasi ako pumunta. Tanda ko yun eh, yung Green Meadows.
Green Meadows.
Tanda ko po yun.
Sa C5 na rin yun eh.
C5, malapit kasi siya kay...
Yun yung tapatan ng Wilcon at saka Green Meadows. Eh, ang problema, may entrance din yan sa C5. Hindi ko lang alam kung
Eastwood City, yung baba ko kasi noon.
pwede kang bumaba doon ng
Tanda ko.
Ay,
Palapit na ng
parang may
pagbabagal.
Mountain Dew ka pa doon eh.
Palapit na ng pagbabagal ng trapiko. Dito po palang
Sabit yung kuko, may.
pagkalampas po ng barangay San
Alam ko
Felix.
nakapako yung Mountain Dew pa doon.
San Pablo na yun naman po tayo ngayon. Palapit po tayo ni Padre Pio. McDo. Paboritong resto ni Konduktor Ranuda. Eh di bali, malapit lang naman sa kanilang terminal sa Pasay.
Stopover niya yan.
Ha?
Stopover.
Manolito Ranuda.
Ano ta? Si 37, 04.
3704 8911 ang nagbalik daw ay si Alvin Verzo.
Sumpusa.
Last week, si Raven Rogelio. Raven Rogelio, last week. Yo, what's up? Ako po si Joy Ann Montilla. Happy Sabbath po tayo uli. At itatampok pa rin natin uli. Jackliner Bus 8930. Alam naman natin. At syempre, all about Cubao Camyas. Alam na natin yan. Ngayon po Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, si Kuya Roel Bisara po ang driver at ang konduktor ay si Kuya Reggie Registos. Mga kaibigan ko, ito po ang Jackliner Bus. 8930 Lucena, Cubao, Pangasinan. The finest quality of Adventist education in the heart of San Pablo City, Laguna. SCLC Adventist School Incorporated, San Rafael. Enroll now at SCLC Adventist School San Rafael to being enjoy the best quality Adventist education.
Idols Fitness Gym, located at M. Leonor Street, San Pablo City, Laguna. Gym na tayo, only here at Idols Fitness Gym.
Ito yung dating label at itong bagong label. You heard it right. Same taste. Iisang brand lang ang ating hinahanap-hanap-hanap. Siyempre, one and only Country Veggie Foods. Tara, let's kain na sa Veggie Yum, located at 240 Maharlika Highway, Barangay San Rafael, San Pablo City, Laguna, malapit sa SM City, San Pablo. Alagang Jack is getting ready for Harvest 2025.